Say, come cook with we.
Come cook with me.
Say, come cook with we.
Come cook with me.
Say, it gonna taste wicked.
It's going to taste wicked.
No, say it gonna taste wicked.
It's going to taste wicked.
Keela, say it gonna taste wicked.
It's gonna taste wicked.
That was pretty good. They're American, y'all.
Alright, relax.
I just heard that. You said we're American.
Okay, yes. What's wrong with that? You are American. Why she said it like this? She wanted to fight me. It's okay. All right. Let's do this.
So you guys, one more thing. Make sure you like this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification and hit that bell.
She's so good at this. She's way too good at this.
And comment and make sure you give it a heart.
Oh,
What's poppin'?
hold on, Karen. Come sit in the chair.
She's too short. Okay. What's up, everybody? It's Kadish.
It's Keela.
And it's a girl here.
And we're back with another video. And today we're gonna film.
Cooking.
We're gonna do a cook with me recipe that I always do all the time. Tell them what we're gonna do.
We're gonna make Jamaican shrimp.
Jamaican
Jerk shrimp. You gotta get the jerk in there. Wait, say this. Wagwan, everybody, make some jerk shrimp.
Well, I want everybody to make some jerk shrimp.
Good enough. Alright, let's go. This is for the thumbnail.
Oh, you guys, always have to clean your hands good and make sure they're very clean to cook.
That's 100%. Amen. Yourself.
So first we gonna thaw the shrimp. Like,
Yeah, you're not in the camera.
Here's the shrimp, you guys.
what brand is this?
Tired.
I can't even read that. Something gourmet.
Shrimp, raw
Peel. Flex carrier. Read that for them.
shrimp, raw, peeled, divine, tail on.
High five.
Okay, so you guys, we got the bowl here, and we got the good shrimp. As you guys can see, guys, we're gonna get the seasoning. Look at that. Look at that. Honestly, it looks so
Show
good.
them.
Look at this.
We got some
We got some
spicy jerk seasoning.
Kadish.
What happened?
So you guys, we're gonna show you everything we have. Do we just show them?
Yes, we should show them.
Okay, so we got the onion
Garlic.
We got some Old Bay.
and
Okay.
oh my god, I'm just gonna go with this one. And we got some
Lemon pepper.
lemon pepper. That's so sour.
And then we have
The seasoning.
And
we
you
have seasoning.
Oh wait.
you can make this from scratch. You know, the real professional Jamaicans do that, but it's like 10:30 at night.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna do it what we got. This is, let me show y'all the brand. Hold up. Let me show y'all the brand. Can you see that?
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, this is Jamaican Pride mild jerk seasoning. This is the mild one. I'm a hot type of girl. My sisters aren't afraid of a little spice, right?
No, we're not.
Right.
So
We
yeah.
like hot food. We like hot food. We like spicy food.
Wait, no.
All ages.
Sprig of thyme.
And then this is
Pepper.
this is fresh pepper. And if you know me, love some spicy food. If you know me, I love spicy food. So this is gonna be, I'm probably gonna take out the orange one because I feel like the color peppers are hotter. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but yeah.
It's hot. It
Yeah.
says, and we're all hot girls. So, and we got the. I thought this was confetti for like, but it wasn't confetti. It's seasoning.
It's
seasoning.
Cajun choice Creole seasoning. It's a little salty.
Okay, so it's a very, very important. all these seasonings have salt as the first ingredient. So you don't want to put a lot, okay? A little bit goes a long way. And remember, you could always add salt, but you can't subtract it from the pot. So don't be trying to, you know? We're only gonna cut a quarter of this, like this much. But first, Kila's gonna wash it and cut it like the good sister that she is. Gonna start
with spicy seasoning.
Carrier, take your time. A little bit more. Little bit more. Little bit more.
Oh my God.
She's doing it very lightly, you guys. Don't worry. We're gonna mix it. Look, this is how it looks.
Yeah, honestly,
Ooh.
we did it. It looks like a cake.
Ooh.
It's like a barnacle cake.
How does it smell, Carrie?
Smells like honestly good, you guys. Help me mix it in here.
Look, yeah, don't be afraid, Carrie. Look at her.
Oh, yeah.
I ended up putting a little bit of salt and a little bit of seasoning salt or accent and a dash of Maggi.
Oh,
Like that. Okay? And I know you're worried that it's gonna be salt, but like I said, we put very little. What is it? It's not what? So look at this. Okay. I tap a lot of seasoning on my hand all the time just to taste how it's going.
Try to taste your food.
Yeah. So we're cooking the rice, but why do you feel bad?
because I can't get this thing to thing.
You are beside me. You just can't be by the fire because it's a hazard, okay? And we're not trying to get arrested. Assuming this is about to be really, really weird right now, but let's go look into the pot. You put the oil in there. Now people mince this. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't. Like, it's easy to take out.
You put a what? Yeah.
I'm kind of gonna stop talking a little bit because all I'm gonna do is put the shrimp in there, and then
When she does something new, she'll let you know.
if I do something new, I'm gonna let y'all know. But y'all could just watch. cook this down and eat this just the way it is, but nope. You want it to be, you know, a dark color. So we'll have some color. We're gonna put a little bit of tip of soy sauce and a tip of ketchup. So, well, the soy sauce is very, very salty. So we're just doing this to give it some additional color. Like, that's it. Like, not a lot at all. And some ketchup. Okay, like that. Okay. So as you can see, it's looking, the color is looking like, it's looking better. Okay. We're gonna add some water. We need some browning, man. Keela, ask Mom for browning.
No, we have soy sauce.
Well, to be honest, we ran out of browning. I didn't know, but preheat the oven and then I'm gonna put it on. So FYI, nobody come for me because the chicken is not, the shrimp is not as dark. The reason why it's not as dark, like I said, we ran out of browning, but I was only gonna put a tad of it to give it that dark color. But if you have browning, just put like that much in there and it would be amazing. So what we're gonna do right now is, after we let this sit, we're just gonna put it in the oven for about, literally for about like 10 minutes. And this is how it turned out. You put some white rice with this bad boy and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.